How to connect Lovable AI to WordPress in 2025. So in this video, I will walk you through the full integration process step by step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to lovable.dev and log into your account. And once you are in the dashboard, navigate to the integrations on the sidebar. And then, step 2, choose WordPress from the list of available integrations and click Connect. And a pop-up window will appear asking for your WordPress site URL and credentials. Step 3, open a new tab and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to your plugins and then add new. Search for Lovable AI Connector and then install and activate the plugin. After that, step 4, once you have activated, you can head to the plugin settings and then paste the API key from your Lovable account, and then click Save Changes. Step 5, return to Lovable and test the connection. You should now be able to send content directly from Lovable AI to your WordPress blog with just one click. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.